Welcome to StorageSolutions. Today, we're taking you inside one of our recently completed projects, showcasing how our cutting-edge storage solutions transformed an ordinary space into an extraordinary storage facility. Let's begin our tour by focusing on the core of this impressive storage system: the conventional pallet racking. As you can see, these racks offer exceptional storage density. With narrow aisles and impressive height. They maximize vertical space, allowing you to store a staggering 24,800 pallets, perfect for large-scale operations. Now, let's move on to a system designed for those long, bulky items that just don't fit on standard pallets. This is our cantilever racking system. Cantilever racking offers unmatched flexibility. The adjustable arms and shelves adapt to your specific needs, while the open design ensures proper air circulation, preventing moisture damage to your valuable inventory. Next up, we have a system built for both durability and visibility, our boltless shelving. Crafted from high-quality galvanized steel, these shelves are built to last. The grating panels offer excellent strength, while the live lighting ensures clear visibility of your inventory, making stock management a breeze. Now, for those looking to truly maximize space, we have a 2-in-1 solution, multi-tier shelving with an integrated mezzanine floor. This system offers ultimate versatility. The multi-tier shelving provides ample storage space with easy access, while the integrated mezzanine floor creates a dedicated area for picking, packing, and repacking operations. Let's take a look at the green certified warehouse. Inspired by this project? Are you ready to elevate your storage capabilities and streamline your logistics operations? Contact J Storage Solutions today for a free consultation and experience the J Storage difference firsthand. We'll work closely with you to design a customized storage solution that perfectly meets your specific needs.